Today we're diving into the latest gaming smartphone that's turning heads, the ZTE Nubia RedMagic 10 Air. Launched on April 16, 2025, this device promises a blend of power and portability. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the RedMagic 10 Air boasts a 6.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1116 by 2480 pixels. The standout feature? A true full-screen design with an under-display camera, achieving an impressive 93.7% screen-to-body ratio. This means no notches, no interruptions, just pure immersive visuals. And check out this flame orange variant. The transparent back panel not only looks stunning, but also gives you a glimpse into the phone's internals, adding a unique tech aesthetic. Under the hood, the RedMagic 10 Air is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with Nubia's custom Redcore R3 chip. This dual-chip system enhances AI scheduling, frame rate stability, and thermal control, ensuring a smooth gaming experience. To keep things cool during intense gaming sessions, it features the Liquid Metal 2.0 cooling system, a laptop-grade solution that prevents performance throttling. For photography, the RedMagic 10 Air comes equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel additional sensor. Up front, the 16-megapixel under-display camera ensures clear selfies without compromising the screen's aesthetics. Despite its slim profile at just 7.85 millimeters thick, the RedMagic 10 Air houses a 6,000 mAh battery. Coupled with 80-watt fast charging, it promises long-lasting power to keep you gaming without interruptions. To wrap up, the ZTE Nubia RedMagic 10 Air offers a sleek design, powerful performance, and innovative features tailored for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. If you're looking for a device that combines style with substance, this might just be the one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews.